Now we will show you how to install the label loss. Loosen this nail and take this out. Convert the direction, the label direction, like this way, and put this into the hole and lock it well. Down the first roller, second roller, above the roller, and take out about 15 centimeters. Put this bottom paper in the middle of the sensor. And go through the roller, crossing this capture. Make it about 1 meter long. And put it back. Open this. When you hear a sound, this will be losing. And put the label in the middle of the two rollers and lock it well. Hear a sound, it means that it locked it well now. Take this out and lock the bottom label like this way.